Hi everyone, today we are going to show you how to use Canva's AI-powered Magic Expand feature. Magic Expand lets you fix awkward framing, save zoomed-in images, or turn a vertical shot into a horizontal one. In seconds, you can recover whatever's just outside the frame, like more of the landscape, and get the perfect shot of your design. Here's how you can use it. Click the photo you want to edit. Note that Magic Expand doesn't support images in frames, grids, or page backgrounds. On Editor toolbar, click Edit Photo. Under the Effect tab, select Magic Expand. Select from the Size option or drag any crop handle to expand the image beyond the border. Select the Magic Expand button and wait for your image to be processed. That's it! Your image is now expanded. We encourage you to experiment with Magic Expand and see how you can use it to create more creative and engaging designs. In the next video, we'll show you how to use Canva's other AI-powered features to create even more amazing designs. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.